Today in this video, we're going to show you how to get those folks who keep visiting your site but haven't subscribed to your email list yet signed up. You can use OptinMonster to automatically identify your returning visitors, and you can welcome them with a pop-up just asking them to join. Stick around and we're going to show you how. You can hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be part of the conversation. First, you'll need to get signed up for a subscription to OptinMonster, and we'll leave a link in the description how you can do that, along with a special code that you can use to get a great discount. All right, now we'll go to OptinMonster.com and log into the dashboard. Next, we'll click the green Create Campaign button. Now we'll choose a pop-up campaign. Now, that's an attention-grabbing campaign that converts really well for OptinMonster users. Then we'll choose a template. So let's just go with the Entice template. And then we'll give our campaign a name so we can easily recognize it and keep all of our stuff organized. Now we'll add the website that we're going to be using to the campaign. Okay, great. Now the fun starts. First, we'll replace the default image with an image that's more fitting for our campaign. It's super easy. Just click on the image and the editing tools are going to appear on the left. Now we'll just click on Select to replace image, and that'll take us to the image gallery where we'll choose the image that we've already uploaded, and then we'll click on the default headline text and we'll change it to something that's more welcoming. How about welcome back? Can we keep in touch? Now we'll just adjust the font type and then we'll edit our text so it'll be on two separate lines. And then we'll adjust the font size to 30. We'll change the formatting so each word will be capitalized. Super. All right, it's a good idea to save our campaign while we're at it, so we can do that by simply clicking the Save button at the top of the screen. Now we'll edit the body text the same way, and we'll just click on it to bring up the editing tools on the left. Now we could use the same process to edit our opt-in form and our button if we'd like. Okay, perfect. Now we'll set the display rules. This is where we can control when our pop-up shows up on the site and who sees it. So to make sure only the returning visitors see our website pop-up, we'll use OptinMonster's advanced targeting. Now to do that, just go to Display Rules, and we're going to click on Personalization. Then we'll click on Returning Visitor. Excellent. Now only our returning visitors are going to see our welcome back pop-up. Now we'll add our email integration. To do that, we'll just go to Integrations, and then we'll click on Add New Integration and click the Select Provider drop-down menu. So for this tutorial, we're just going to choose Constant Contact from the drop-down. Next, we'll need to click the Register with Constant Contact button. And this is going to open up a pop-up where we can sign into our Constant Contact account. And that allows Constant Contact to work with OptinMonster. Now, once we're done, we'll just click the Allow button. And then add an account label and click the Connect to Constant Contact button. Now, OptinMonster will pull the email list that we have available on our Constant Contact account, and we'll be able to choose the email list that we'd like to use for this opt-in. All right, terrific. Now we'll just save our opt-in and we're good to go. Now any leads that sign up through this pop-up will be automatically added to that list. If you're using another email marketing service, just check out the instructions of other OptinMonster integrations. Now don't worry, we'll leave a link in the description below so you can do that. All right, awesome. Now it's time to publish the campaign. Now to do that, just click the Publish button at the top of the screen and then click the Publish tab to live. OptinMonster offers a whole range of publishing options for various platforms. If you need a little guidance with embedding OptinMonster on your site, just check out the link that we've left in the description. Now you know how to get the attention of your returning visitors with a welcome back pop-up message. Now, give it a try. Let us know how it works out for you. And if you want to learn more OptinMonster tips, tricks, and techniques, be sure to check out the videos that are on the screen now and hit the links that we've left for you in the description.